PewDiePie, 110 million subscribers. Dude Perfect, 56 million subscribers. Olasoy German, 42.7 million subscribers. Alarubius OMG, 39.9 million subscribers. Winderson Nunes, 42.5 million subscribers. These YouTube superstars did something extraordinary to be where they are today. Are you looking to make money as an influencer on YouTube? YouTube is an amazing platform to earn easy money through affiliate and sponsorship programs. Many creators use these programs to collaborate with big brands and earn thousands of dollars. YouTube monetization has opened endless opportunities for YouTubers looking to make a living out of it. Due to the above opportunity, many creators struggle to meet their YouTube channel goal. Some keep striving while others give up after trying many times. YouTube, being the world's largest video sharing platform, is very competitive. You will have to try not to lose hope and push yourself further to achieve your goals. Due to the struggle, I listed 2 platforms that will catapult your content to real viewers globally. Click on the link to get access for free.